Welcome to Can Do Portuguese by PortuguesePod101.com.
Oi, gente! O meu nome é Jade Furuta. Hi, everyone! My name is Jade Furuta. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use parting greetings.
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Portuguese ebook before it's gone.
This is Karen Lee, and she's talking with her homestay mother, Fernanda Ferreira. As Karen says goodbye, her children join her in saying goodnight. Focus on the way each person says goodbye.
Até mais.
Boa noite.
Boa noite.
Bom descanso.
Once more with the English translation.
Até mais.
See you soon.
Boa noite.
Good night.
Boa noite.
Good night.
Bom descanso.
Rest well.
Let's take a closer look at each of these expressions.
First, do you remember how Karen says, "See you soon"?
Até mais.
This starts with
Até,
which means something like until in this context.
até, até,
Next is
mais,
literally more, but conveying the idea of soon.
mais, mais,
Together
até mais,
means something like until soon, but translates as see you soon.
Até mais.
até mais,
Is fairly informal, which indicates a close relationship between Karen and Fernanda Ferreira, her former homestay mother. Do you remember how Sasha says, "Good night"?
Boa noite.
Good night.
boa noite,
Let's start with
noite,
night.
noite, noite.
In Portuguese, all nouns have grammatical gender and are either singular or plural.
Noite,
Is feminine and singular, a fact that will determine the form of other words in the sentence. Before this is
boa,
good.
boa, boa, boa,
Is feminine and singular to agree with.
noite,
Altogether it's
boa noite,
good night.
Boa noite.
Both Sasha and Ben use this expression when saying good night to Fernanda. You use
boa noite,
good night as a parting greeting when you don't plan on seeing someone again that night, and often when someone is about to go to bed. It's like saying, have a good night's sleep. Now, do you remember how Fernanda says, rest well?
Bom descanso.
Let's start with
descanso,
rest.
descanso, descanso, descanso,
Is masculine and singular, a fact that will determine the form of other words in the sentence. Before this is
bom,
good.
bom, bom, bom,
Is masculine and singular to agree with.
descanso,
Altogether it's
Bom descanso.
Literally, good rest, but it translates as rest well.
Bom descanso.
Let's look at the parting greetings once more. Listen and repeat or speak along with me. Até mais. Até mais. Boa noite. Boa noite. Bom descanso. Bom descanso. Até mais tarde. Até mais tarde. Tchau. Tchau. Did you notice the last parting expression I used?
Wondering how you can master these conversations even faster? Here's how. 1. Read along. You get the lesson conversation and translations inside our dialogue tool, so that you see each word as you hear it and understand it all. 2. Practice speaking. By shadowing what you hear, you can also record and compare yourself with native speakers with our voice recording tools. And 3. Take our assessment tests and see how much you remember. These tools are part of our Can-Do course. Just click the link in the description to get them.
Tchau.
Bye.
Tchau.
Bye.
Tchau. Tchau.
You can use this parting greeting any time of the day, with strangers or friends.
Tchau.
Let's review the new words.
Até mais tarde.
See you later.
Até mais tarde. Até mais tarde.
This expression implies that you'll meet the other person again on the same day.
Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say, "See you soon"? Até mais. Até mais. And how to say good night. Boa noite. Boa noite. Do you remember how to say rest well? Bom descanso. Bom descanso. And how to say bye. Tchau. Tchau. Do you remember how to say see you later? Até mais tarde. Até mais tarde.
Let's practice. Imagine you're Mark Lee, and you're talking to Fernanda. Respond by saying good night. Ready?
Até mais.
Boa noite.
Listen again and repeat.
Boa noite. Boa noite.
Let's try another. Imagine you're Sasha Lee, and you're finishing class. Respond by saying bye. Ready?
Tchau. Tchau.
Listen again and repeat.
Tchau. Tchau.
Let's try one more. Imagine you're Ben Lee, and you're finishing coffee with your college friend, Paula. Respond by saying, "See you soon." Ready?
Até mais tarde.
Até mais.
Listen again and repeat.
Até mais. Até mais.
A common informal greeting you may hear is ciao ciao, which is equivalent to bye bye. This is the end of this lesson.
Now, here's what you can do to cement this conversation in your head. Review the conversation with our dialogue tool and lesson transcripts. Study the key words and phrases with our spaced repetition flashcards. Review the key grammar and cultural tips inside the lesson notes. And test yourself with our assessment tests. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to access our Can-Do course.
Now you know how to use basic parting greetings in Portuguese. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.